Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best straight razors that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Feather Artist Club Black SS Folding Handle Razor. Feather is a Japanese manufacturer with almost a century of experience in crafting top-of-the-line tools for grooming. For producing its straight razors, the manufacturer uses only super durable first-class stainless steel, delicately sharpening blades to perfection for their unmatched performance and long-lasting use. The main secret of a smooth shaving experience with the Feather SS lies in an optimal blade exposure. A replaceable blade pops out of the handle at a certain length and makes an ideal angle with a rounded head for your safe and clean shaving without cuts. Another distinctive feature of this model is an ergonomic, non-slip handle made of eco-friendly synthetic resin for a secure grip and precise shaving control. Moreover, the handle is heat-resistant up to 275 F, so you can safely disinfect it in the boiling water or with ethanol. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Parker SRX Straight Razor. This heavy-duty stainless steel open razor offers a barbershop quality shaving experience and sets a shave quality standard for other manufacturers of straight razors. For a start, this razor is handmade and carefully tested like other Parker products, so you can be sure of its efficient performance and quality materials. A well-controlled ergonomic handle of the razor provides a firm grip, allowing you to shave more accurately without cuts. You will also appreciate a unique clip-to-close mechanism, which is used to secure the blade and keep it aligned. What else attracts attention is the size of the razor. It's very compact and makes around 6.5 inches in length when unfolded. When the blade is nested in the handle, its overall length equals mere 3.5 inches. So taking into account such small dimensions of the razor, you will be able to fit it in any small bag or backpack to take with you on a trip. At number 3, we have the Equinox Professional Straight Edge Razor. The Equinox Straight Edge Razor features a classic style design similar to those used by our grandparents and will come to liking to users who prefer traditional shaving methods. Taking into account the needs of most men, the manufacturer fitted this razor with an ergonomic handle and positioned the blade at the optimal angle to prevent the possibility of accidental cuts. The package includes a box of 100 high-quality Derby single-edge blades that you will need to replace after every 2 to 3 shaves. Replacing blades is very simple, owing to an easy-to-open blade guard and holders that release the used blade quickly and safely. Despite a low price, the Equinox Straight Edge Razor will look as good as new for years to come thanks to the durable stainless steel case. Taking the above said into account, we don't doubt this Equinox Straight Edge Razor please you with the results and its long-lasting performance. At number 2, we have the Shave Network GD Shave Ready Straight Razor. The biggest advantage of the Shave Network Golden Dollar Straight Razor is that it comes with a single blade and that it doesn't need to be changed at all, meaning there will not be any replacement costs too. The included blade is made of high-carbon steel and heat, hardened for ultimate sharpness and unmatched long-term performance. It doesn't rust, nor does it stain. You will only need to hone it once in a while to maintain it sharp. The Shave Network company provides free lifetime sharpening of all its razors, so it's also possible to have it sharpened by professionals. We liked that the handle of the razor is made of non-slip ABS plastic. It lies in a hand well, and it doesn't require any special care. You will only need to rinse it from time to time to maintain its original look. That's all. The manufacturer supplies the product with a user manual, where you can find more information about the blade maintenance and how to use the blade. And finally, at number 1, we have the classic Samurai CS102 Stainless Steel Professional Barber Straight Edge Razor. The first thing that will catch your attention when you look at this classic samurai razor is its stylish yet old-school traditional design. Made of genuine surgical-grade stainless steel, This razor is recognized for its unrivaled durability. It will serve you almost age-long even if you shave every day. Stainless steel blades are also easy to disinfect since they don't rust and are heat-resistant. Thanks to the well-thought exchangeable blade technology, with a quick blade release, it's very easy to replace the blades, while the curved tang allows you to unfold the blade with one hand. In the package, you'll find a small plastic pouch for hygienic storage and transportation of the razor, as well as 100 extremely sharp derby blades, with which you'll have over 200 close and smooth shaves. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.